Hi, it's Kana. Welcome back to my closet. I'm super excited today because I am going to open a Beautylish Lucky Bag 2020. So excited. But before we do that, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click down below, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Let's get into it. I just got home from getting a root canal, so if my face looks a little askew, it's because half of it is still somewhat numb. But anyway, I got home and I saw this sitting on my doorstep. So we're gonna open it because that's exciting. I have been waiting for this and it is here. And yeah, let me see, how does this open? Like right here. Ooh, scissors. Damn it. I know, oh, they're right there. Let me get my scissors. Anyway, for those of you who do not know, this is the Beautylish Lucky Bag. And I tried to get the large one, but like, no. I clicked immediately, I was early and it was gone. But I was successful in getting the regular one, so I didn't do any peeking. I was scrolling through Facebook and I saw a couple of people had gotten theirs and were telling everything that was in it, and I saw it. So there was like a couple of palettes that I saw and I have since forgotten. So I know one of them was like an ABH, I think, Riviera maybe. But that's all I know. I immediately was like, oh, nope, get out of here. So yeah, I don't remember the other one. I remember not really caring to get either one of them. So hopefully I got something different, but that's all I know. I have avoided spoilers like crazy. So let's open the box. I'm super excited. This is the first one of these I've ever gotten. I don't know, I just didn't care before, but it just seemed like fun. I was getting like BoxyCharm back then, and I since quit BoxyCharm because it just wasn't fun anymore for me. But this just seemed like it would be kind of nice to have, so. Okay, here we go. That's what it looks like. That is beautiful. Okay, a little card. Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The crane on this year's lucky bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. Okay, the packaging is gorgeous. I love the paper. Okay, what do we have? I'm just gonna reach in here. What's this? Okay. It's a little Oribe Wave and Shine spray. Can you see it? That's in the way. Let me get out of there. So yeah, Oribe Wave and Shine spray. I actually use their dry texture spray, which I love. So cool. I love this brand. I hope it's not a bunch of hair products because I don't use a lot of hair products, but this is a good one. So let's see what else is in here. Ooh, something small. Save the big ones for last. Ooh, what is this? No. I almost bought one of these the other day. I always almost buy these and I never have. It's the Hourglass Confession. It's the refillable lipstick. Oh my God. Secretly is the shade. I'm so excited. I've always wanted one of these, but I was looking at it and I was like, it's not very big and the price is so high. But how cute is this? Super cute. So cute. Looks like that. Is this my color though? Let's see. I guess I would figure it would be like a color like this because of the new year. And red seems to be like a lucky color. So it's a red. It's a really beautiful red though, so I'm so excited about this. Okay, so far we're doing quite well. Love it. Okay, sorry, moving on. I'm gonna get my other hand. I want lipstick on everything. Okay, that's pretty good size. What's this? All right, we're just gonna grab this one. It's heavy. Ooh, oh no. It's okay. It's the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. I just bought niacinamide. Excuse me. But yeah. So it's formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, butane, and licorice root extract to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores. Let's see what it looks like. It's heavy, so I'm guessing it's glass, which I like. Wow, that's a big thing of niacinamide. So that's what that looks like. Can you read it? Barely. Too bright, too bright. But yeah, Good Molecules. I'm kind of excited about that. So I guess I have a niacinamide serum and now a toner. So we'll just see what else is in here. This feels, I was gonna say, it feels like a, oh, maybe it's like a brush thing. Well, let's find out. Like a little brush holder, maybe? Oh, it is. Okay. Get rid of the silica. I don't know if you can see these, but it's just a little brush set. I mean, I can't be upset about brushes. I just want to know who they're from. So interesting. Just says the numbers on them. Unit 205, 204, 203, 202, 201. So I'm looking for like a brand on here. I don't see anything. Interesting. Is there a card? Oh, I just sneaked a peek. I know what I got, but okay. We'll look for a card anyways, but I don't see one. But anyway, Pharmacy Bright On. This is the vitamin C mask, massage activated vitamin C mask. Yeah. Okay. I love Pharmacy. Love Pharmacy. And I'm all about vitamin C. Can you see it? Oh, I'm so sorry. The lighting is shit. But yeah, so I'm excited about that. I mean, I have a lot of skincare and I'm thinking that I'm gonna go ahead and declutter some because I just don't see the point in having all of it. I've discovered that I don't need much. So anyway, these two are things that I will enjoy. So I'm glad I got those. I'm just going to show you the palette because I stupidly saw it. It's the ABH Sultry. All right. I know this is super popular. I'm just not really excited about it, to be honest. I'm sorry. Let's look at it at least. I'm pretty sure y'all know what this looks like, but there it is. Trying not to touch it. I mean, it's pretty. They're just not colors I'm missing, you know. Anyway, we'll set that aside for now. I think that's everything. Yep. So it would have been $185 total if I bought all of these things. But here's the thing. I would have never bought all of these things. I spent $85 on a mystery box. And this is what I got. So it's fine. But I think that I won't be buying mystery boxes anymore, honestly. Unless it's like a specific brand that I really want to try some things and I don't have anything from them, like an indie brand. I mean, sometimes those are fun. I did get one from OMFG Cosmetics and I got some really fun things in that. And I thought that it was worth it. So I got like 2 eyeshadow palettes and a bunch of stuff. So this I won't do again, but I knew what I was getting into. So, you know, what are you gonna do? Anyway, tell me what you guys thought of these things. Would you have been excited about any of them? Is there, you know, like if this had been your $85, would you be stoked about it? Let me know. Have you tried any of these things? Because I have not tried any of these actually. And I would love to know what you think about them. Anyway, that is gonna be everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye.